Alright, we're out here shooting the EVANIX RAINSTORM 3D with exact dabble pellets, and that's what they look like right there. This is the 35 caliber, the 9mm version. This is how you load it. Yeah, you gotta press it in so it's flush.
Oh my god, that's actually really...
See, a little bit more. Stick your finger in there, press it a little bit. There you go. Yep. It's flush. And it takes 7 rounds. We're using a scuba tank to charge up with the little scuba tank adapter. Alright, you take that little probe right there and you stick it right into the side here. There's a charge port on the side. It's underneath the cover. Alright? Once that's like that, you make sure this is closed. Now see this knob back there? Open it slowly, real slowly. There you go. Now open it more and more until it hits. We're shooting at a little bit under 3,000 psi right now. There you go. Now close the knob all the way. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Now see this little knob down here? Turn that to the left. To the left. That relieves the pressure. Now you can remove the probe from the gun. Okay. Now close that little hole. See the little collar there? You spin that, and that closes the charge hole. There you go. Alright, now come down here, grab a clip. Alright. Cocking lever, pull the cocking lever all the way back. Okay, there you go. Now you slide the clip in. It will click when it's in properly. There you go. Now you're ready to shoot. Adam.
Hi.
Yep.
Nice shot. You got it.
Feel the slowness of the bullet. I could hear it, then I could see it break.
All right.
Nice.
Nice shot.
What's he trying to hit now?
You shot the furthest back.
I see it sticking out of it.
Very nice.